very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is who we are, a biological life form or a master creation. Ladies and gentlemen, amidst the vast mysteries of the universe, one question echoes through time and space. What is the essence of human existence? From where life emerged remains an enigma, and where it ultimately leads may forever be unknown. Yet the path before us is clear. We must know what to do while we are here on this magnificent planet Earth, our home within the vast and wondrous cosmos. To understand ourselves, it is essential to see the bigger picture. A picture painted with the strokes of time, energy, and space. We are part of something far greater than ourselves, the universe, a masterpiece of incomprehensible scale, elegance, and precision. This universe, the creativity of a master architect, is not a chaotic accident. It is a system of harmony, order, and purpose. It is an interconnected symphony of matter, energy, and life, driven by natural laws so precise that they allow for our very existence. Human beings are more than mere biological forms. Out of all life on earth, only humans were gifted with the extraordinary power of the brain, an organ of unparalleled complexity and capacity. This was not accidental. It carries a profound purpose. The human design itself is evidence of a higher intent, one that extends beyond the self to ecosystems, the planet, and the interconnected whole of life. We, as humans, are a culmination of cosmic energy, born of star dust and gifted with the ability to comprehend the universe from which we came. Our very existence is powered by the same energy mechanisms that drive the cosmos, the force of progression that propels everything forward. Energy is the essence of existence and progression, the soul of life. Thoughts, too, are a form of energy, an intangible yet transformative force. It is thoughts that shape actions, guide progression, and define what one becomes. Every leap humanity has made, from harnessing fire to exploring space, has been a manifestation of thought turned into purposeful action. And this life, a singular opportunity in the great expanse of time, demands that this gift be used wisely. Earth stands as a perfect cradle for life, sustained by its ecosystems and powered by the celestial grace of the sun. Humanity is not isolated, it is deeply connected to the cosmos. Existence itself becomes a dialogue with the universe, one where divine energy can be sought and aligned with, enabling aspirations to be fulfilled and life's path to be traversed wisely. With this extraordinary gift comes responsibility also. The purpose of life transcends mere survival. It calls for meaningful progression. Humanity's role extends beyond its own needs to care for ecosystems, nurture the planet, and act as stewards of a larger harmony. Earth is not merely a resource, but a shared home and a platform for growth and discovery. The cosmos, a master creation, has designed humanity to succeed. It empowers positive thought, purposeful action, and a joyful living. It is a system programmed for harmony and progression, a system humanity is privileged to be part of. Let this realization guide the path ahead. Humanity is not insignificant. It is a participant in a grand design, a life form shaped by biology but blessed with the consciousness of creation. To do justice to this existence means embracing the role as stewards of earth, custodians of progress, and seekers of wisdom. In living with purpose, the divine energy flowing through humanity is honored, connecting all to the greater whole. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a profound truth emerges. Humans are both life forms and master creations, a miracle of energy, thought, and existence. This journey is the one chance to elevate life, nurture the world, and embrace the infinite beauty of the cosmos itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.